Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to remove apps from home screen. You see home screen over here. Now if I want to remove any app here, what do I do? The first thing you do is press on the app. Let's say I want to remove the contact app here. So I press on it like this, and you can see the option for remove, which is the second option here. So once you tap on remove, it's gone. It's as simple as that. It's the simplest. You can do that for as many apps as you want. Let's say I want to move YouTube from my home screen, I do the same thing, press down on it, and then I tap on remove, and it's gone. So I can do this for as many apps as I want. This is how to remove apps from home screen on Samsung. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more.